teach you how to forward an email in Gmail with quick and easy steps. Forwarding emails is a convenient way to share information with others, whether it's for work, personal reasons, or just making sure someone else has the same information you do. Let's dive into this simple task and make sure you're doing it efficiently and correctly. First things first, you're going to want to head over to Gmail and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate over to your inbox. This is your hub for all email interactions, and it's where you'll find the email you wish to forward. Take a moment to locate this email. Go ahead and open it. Viewing this message in its entirety is key, as forwarding is an option within the email itself. Now, with your email open, what you'll want to do next is scroll down to the bottom of this message. You're looking for the forward button. It's usually situated right below the content of the email. Clicking this will open up a new window where you can make the necessary edits before sending it off. With the forward option selected, the next step is to choose your recipient. In the field labeled To, type in the email address of the person or people you want to send this email to. Adding multiple recipients is easily done. Simply separate email addresses with commas, and everyone will receive the information simultaneously. This feature is incredibly handy for business purposes or when sharing information within a group. Once you've entered the recipients and double-check that everything looks correct, it's time to send. Click the Send button to forward the email. All attachments and original content within the email will automatically be included when you forward it, so no need to worry about missing details. And there you have it. You've successfully forwarded an email. This basic yet essential task should take only a minute or two out of your day, making communication smoother and information sharing straightforward. Remember, staying organized in your email habits can really help streamline your communication at work or in personal settings. So feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need a refresher. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful in showing you just how easy it is to forward an email in Gmail. Thanks for joining me today. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And don't forget to check out other guides to keep feeling tech savvy and on top of your inbox game. Have a great day.